Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this Oxford White 2019 Ford F-150. This F-150 is very well maintained with absolutely no accidents. It comes in the XLT trim with a 301A equipment group and a 5.0 liter V8 engine. This F-150 comes with a full sprayed bed liner, also with a tonneau cover. You got a lot of cool features in this F-150. You have a leather steering wheel, a full huge touchscreen display screen, also with a cloth interior. Also has really low kilometers. It comes with cruise control, auto headlights, navigation, Bluetooth, remote start, reverse camera, a trailer tow package, auto start and stop, pre-collision assist with AEB, and a power driver seat. You also have lots of storage in the back with a 12-volt plug-in, and those seats can be easily folded up for even more storage. If you like this F-150 and want to see more about it, come on down to maclinford.com. Thank you very much.